Are you tired of spending hours on Word documents? Ready to be a word wizard? Well, what if I told you that you could finish your work in half the time? Work smarter, not harder. Welcome to the world of Microsoft Word shortcuts, your secret weapon for faster, smarter, and cooler document creation. Let's dive into the top 5 shortcuts you'll love. The classic copy and paste. Want to move a chunk of text? Forget dragging your mouse. Just hit Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste it anywhere. Boom, like magic. Made a mistake? No worries. With Ctrl+Z, you can undo anything. Say goodbye to the dreaded oops moments. Let's talk style. Want bold? Press Ctrl+B. Italics? Ctrl+I. Underline? Ctrl+U. Lost in a sea of words? No problem. With Ctrl+F, you can find any word or phrase instantly. Like a super-fast treasure hunt. And don't forget to save the day. With Ctrl+S, your work is always safe. Don't wait for a disaster, just tap it as you go. Subscribe ZQ World and hit the bell icon for more informative videos.